Hey guys, Austin here with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and what to look for in a good beard brush. Now, if you are anything like I was, then chances are you're not really sure exactly how useful a beard brush even is, or you may even think it's a completely unnecessary step in the beard grooming process, much like I thought for the longest time with my beard. But today we're going to talk about 3 reasons a beard brush actually really helps your beard, especially if you're struggling from things like beard dandruff, dryness, or flakiness. So let's get into it. Now, the beard brushes we are talking about today are going to be things like this. This is Volt's Octo brush. It is a boar bristle brush. As I get up close, you can see it's got stiff, natural boar bristles. Now, you want the bristles to be pretty stiff, but not too stiff, for a good reason. Which brings us to the first benefit of the beard brush, which is it helps exfoliate your beard and the skin underneath. You see, bristles that are too stiff are going to be scratchy. They're not going to help move around your beard hair. But bristles that are too thin are not going to dig through the beard enough to actually get to the skin underneath in order to brush away any dead skin cells, dirt, debris, anything like that. So having a medium stiff boar bristles really does make a difference. Which brings us to point number 2. If you're like most guys with a beard out there, then chances are you also use beard oil, or my personal favorite, beard balm. Now, the point of these 2 products is to help get your beard hydrated, soft, and fight some flakiness. And in the case of beard balm, to give your beard some style and control as well. And when you pair the beard hydration products like beard oil or beard balm with something like a beard brush, what you're actually doing is you're using the bristles on the brush to spread the oil around your beard more evenly. The bristles are going to flex in and around hairs to get the oil all over the place, making your beard feel softer and more relaxed and a bit less coarse a lot quicker. Now, last but not least, what a beard brush does is it actually helps train your beard hairs to lay and lock within each other. Although the beard hair is going to grow out of the follicle the same way that your genetics preordain it, as your hair gets longer, what you need to do is start training that hair to interact with the other hairs around it in a more controlled way. Beard brushes help do this by unifying the motion and the direction of the hairs. And that is why a beard brush is actually an important step that you guys should use if you are using beard oil and you still feel like your beard is maybe a bit flaky or even a bit rough. Then beard brushes are going to help soften out the majority of your beard by spreading the oil more efficiently, as well as get rid of a lot of those under skin flakes that your beard traps. So ultimately, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video about the benefits of a beard brush and why it is actually a useful step for anyone out there growing a beard or dealing with these kind of beard issues that most men deal with. I've certainly been able to use a beard brush to benefit me, especially after using one of these products I mentioned earlier. If you guys want an inexpensive but really high quality beard brush, head over to well-groomed.com. The Octo brush is the way to go. The bristles are the perfect length and stiffness. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another Volt video.